Here we are, harvest log day 5. Malting barley's all finished that just this evening, about tea time. It's Friday, and the weather forecast after today is not great, especially if you're an English cricketer probably. But here we are, cutting more barley. This is actually a feed variety, so animal feed or for export. This will find a home in, hopefully. It's a variety called SY Thunderbolt. No idea on yield particularly yet. It's we're just into the first field. We've got a block of 60 hectares here, sort of heading up the hill that way a little bit. We've got the chopper on, just chopping this straw. With the way the forecast is, it's good to return a lot of the organic matter, the potash fertiliser in particular, back into the soil. This is quite light land down through here on this part of the farm. So yeah, I don't know, unless we miss some of this rain that they're forecast for the weekend, we might not be doing anything for a few days. So we'll try and push on a little bit this evening. You see the side knives are on, which we would normally have oilseed rape, but the way the crop is lodged from here, lodges when the stems sort of break over, and it was hanging on the knife quite a lot, or on the, not on the knife, but on the dividers. So it was causing a few issues. So we've put the side knives on. That's obviously cured that problem. So yeah, not sure when we'll get going again, but day 5, malting barley done, on to feeding barley now.